Hello, dear friends. I'm genuinely excited to show you what I found. You know how luxury cars have heads-up displays, wireless charging, and ambient lighting? I tested 15 Amazon products that bring all of this to your regular car for less than a weekend trip. Installation is super easy. No special tools needed. Today, I'm showing you each upgrade, the costs, and why these should have been standard. Let's dive in. Heads-up display for cars. First up is this heads-up display that projects your speed onto your windshield. No more looking down and missing speed limits. It has automatic brightness, speed warnings, and easy USB setup. With GPS and BDS dual signals, it's faster and more accurate than competitors. Over 10,000 drivers use this to avoid tickets and stay safer. At this budget price, there's no reason not to upgrade your driving today. Limited stock moving fast, so grab yours now before prices go up. UTRAI car jump starter with air compressor. This is your ultimate roadside emergency solution. It delivers 4,000 amps to jump any engine and has a built-in 150 psi air compressor for flat tires. The LED light includes SOS modes. Imagine being stranded with a dead battery or flat. This fixes both instantly without calling help. More powerful than most starters and eliminates carrying multiple devices. Perfect for road trips and winter emergencies. Don't wait until you're stuck. Get protected now while it's available. Programmable LED sign. This LED sign is game-changing for attention. Over 1,000 RGB LEDs controlled via Bluetooth let you display custom messages on your car or business. Flexible and waterproof for any location. Small businesses use these in bars and taxis to boost visibility. Car enthusiasts create viral messages on social media. At this price, you get professional advertising that makes everyone stare. Limited quantities available. Creative people are snatching these up fast. Order yours today before they're gone. Tymate tire pressure monitoring system. This monitors tire pressure and temperature in real time with solar power, so it never needs charging. 6 alarm modes alert you to pressure issues before dangerous blowouts happen. It prevents accidents, improves fuel efficiency, and extends tire life. Thousands of families trust this for highway safety. The color LCD works with almost any vehicle. For less than a tank of gas, you get peace of mind every drive. Don't risk your family's safety. Install this simple system today and drive worry-free. WonVon wireless CarPlay display. Transform your old car with this 10-inch touchscreen bringing wireless CarPlay and Android Auto to any vehicle. It includes 4K front camera and 1080 rear camera without removing your factory radio. Uber drivers love this premium upgrade. The bright touchscreen works in direct sunlight. This gives your car a Tesla interface without buying new. Perfect for anyone wanting modern tech in older cars. Stock is limited on this popular item. Order now and modernize your ride this weekend. Teeran wireless CarPlay adapter. Turn wired CarPlay wireless with this tiny adapter. Plug it in once and enjoy automatic connection. Every startup, ultra-compact design stays hidden, and dual-band connection ensures fast, stable performance. No more cable fumbling while driving. Thousands switched already and love the convenience. It reconnects automatically. You never think about it. At this discount price, wireless freedom is a no-brainer. These sell out constantly, so if it's in stock right now, don't hesitate or you'll regret it. WOLFBOX Mirror Dashcam. This mirror dashcam records in stunning 4K front and 2.5K rear with Starvis sensor technology. The 12-inch display offers crystal playback and 5 GHz Wi-Fi transfer. Voice control and GPS make operation effortless. In accidents, this provides legal protection. Night vision captures plates in darkness. Security-conscious families invest in this because one incident pays for itself 10 times over. Protect yourself from insurance fraud and hit and runs. Order today and install this weekend for instant peace of mind. Carbon fiber steering wheel cover. Upgrade your steering wheel with this 3-piece carbon fiber set. Non-slip, heat, and sweat-resistant material gives better grip during long drives. Clip-on installation takes minutes and instantly modernizes your interior. Young enthusiasts and comfort seekers choose this upgrade. Way more sophisticated than fabric covers, adding premium tech feel. For this price, you get style, comfort, and control in one upgrade. Transform your daily driving experience today. These are flying off shelves. Secure yours now while still available at this price. LED car interior lighting kit. Turn your interior into a party with app-controlled multicolor LEDs that sync with music. waterproof, and simple to install. Music lovers obsess over how this transforms every drive. Multiple colors and brightness levels from your phone. Incredibly affordable personality for your car festival season is coming. Make yours the coolest in the lot. Night drives will never be boring again. Stock moves incredibly fast on these viral products. Order immediately to guarantee delivery before weekend. WORX Cordless Vacuum. Keep your car spotless with this 20-volt cordless vacuum. PowerShare battery works with other WORX tools, saving money. 4-foot hose reaches tight spaces, and HEPA filter captures allergens. Pet owners and parents love how fast this cleans hair and crumbs. One-touch bin emptying is satisfying and hygienic. No more car washes or bulky vacuums. You have professional power right in your vehicle. Clean anytime in seconds. These are best sellers for good reason. Grab yours before next price increase. Disklok steering wheel lock. The ultimate anti-theft device covering your wheel with hardened steel. Patented rotating design makes it impossible to cut, certified by Sold. Secure Gold and Thatcham. Luxury owners and high-theft area residents trust this protection. Seeing this lock makes thieves move on 3 keys and 3-year warranty included. Don't wait until after theft to wish you'd protected better. Your car is a major investment. Defend it properly. Order now and sleep soundly, knowing your vehicle is truly secured against criminals. Govee RGBIC LED strips. Premium RGBIC strips create multiple colors simultaneously for incredible effects. 72 LEDs per strip with full app control and music sync, waterproof for durability. Young drivers love showing light shows on social media. Govee's app and presets make it easy. Transform night drives into immersive experiences. This affordable mod makes huge visual impact. Trending everywhere right now, get yours and join the community. Every drive feels like an event. Stock won't last at current prices. Order immediately. OBD2 GPS display. Advanced display shows real-time data from OBD2 and GPS on 3.5-inch IPS screen. 6 alarms monitor speed, temperature, voltage with 8-color backlighting. Dual mode ensures continuous data if one source fails. Performance enthusiasts love Ferrari-level instrumentation in regular cars. Displays info your factory dash doesn't show complete vehicle awareness and control. Drive smarter with professional monitoring. These advanced displays sell out quickly. Secure yours today and unlock your car's hidden performance data this weekend. Wide-angle rearview mirror. This 12-inch wide mirror expands vision while reducing blind spots. Blue anti-glare coating eliminates headlight and sun glare. Clip-on installation fits any car in seconds, solves blind spots and glare instantly, much wider than factory mirrors, and the coating works. For a meal's cost, significantly improves safety. Don't let blind spots cause accidents when the solution is simple and affordable. Thousands upgraded already and wish they'd done it sooner. Order now and install in under 1 minute for immediate safety improvement. Retractable backseat charger. This 65-watt charger has retractable Lightning and USB-C cables, eliminating backseat clutter. Mounts to front headrest and fast charges phones and laptops simultaneously. Uber and taxi drivers use these for premium service. Families with kids on tablets find this essential. Retractable mechanism keeps everything organized. Passengers appreciate the convenience. Make every ride comfortable with charged devices. Elevate your passenger experience today. Popular with rideshare drivers, stock depletes fast, so order